Another little project. First time steaming. It's quite complete, this one. Not much missing, apart from a little bit on the regulator, the little arm. My regulator's missing. So I've just put a little Allen key in there for a moment. Other than that, it's a smaller machine, but it's complete. Maybe someone's. Not so bad. Let's see how it goes. Someone's really badly painted the base. Terrible. Still want complete stripping. It's a wooden base, and it's a wooden base original. Yeah, wooden base from original. That's what it says online anyway. So it's just got so it looks like it's got a metal top, but the main base is made of wood. Easy one to restore. Not too much wrong with it. Let's see if it fires up. I'm not sure that manometer is working. We'll give it a couple of minutes. But yeah, not bad. I do like the little ones with the regulator and whistle and water gauge. I'm not so keen on the ones where there's no water gauge, it's just a whistle and a safety valve, and that's about it. I prefer to have one like this, right, you can control. Actually, I think that manometer is working. It has moved. Not much though. Let's give it a go. Let's see how long. See if that actually does move anymore. Oh no, not seized. Not seized. That's these. I think what people do, they don't put distilled water in, so you end up with scale. They leave it for years, and the scale just gets stuck in the tap. Oh yeah, we're getting a bit. That's not too bad really. Oh, she moved. She moved. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Not that quick. Slow it down. Yeah, man, it is working. I've got a few that don't work. I think camera far, but not bad really. As long as I slow it down a bit more. With it. Oh no, it's going to stop running. With it. Oh, a bit more. Slow it down a bit too much. Just a little bit. Fraction more. That's not bad, is it? Now I'll sort of go raw. There we go. Started on its own. I'm trying to get it to just go slowly. So it's a bit of delicate adjustment on the regulator. There you go, that's not bad. Pleased with that. I the steam from right up there. That moment is definitely working like that. Oh, nice little steam in here. Cosmetics, it's just the cosmetics. Push this one right up there, look. Finish this. Move that down. Let's slow down there because I was letting some pressure out. Let's the millimeter's gone down a little bit now, a little bit of pressure out. I moved the weight on the safety valve. So it's definitely working. It's sealing, no, there's no leaks. No leaks, you normally get something leaking. She's on my way quite happily. I've got to get rid of a few now. I've got too many projects, so I'm not going to get time to do them all. And it bugs me, because whenever I look at one, I'll think, well, maybe I should sell it. I'll start looking at it and I think, I quite like it actually, don't want to sell it. That's going quite nicely. I did put oil in it. Anyway, it's only a quick video just for this little machine. It's a little dull, I think. I'll put a number on when I look it up a bit. I did find it. Oh no, it actually might be a Bing. I'll look it up. I've got it written down at home. But I can't remember. I've got so many here, I can't remember which one's which. But yeah, pleased with that. Very pleased. Nice little machine. I'm sure someone will love it. I probably won't keep it. Can't keep them all. The problem with me, I see something and I think, oh, I can make something of that. And then I just don't get time for them all. You know, everyone's got something little needs doing and it's just finding time to do it and get it finished. I mean, look at this one. That's a beast. That's a beast. I'm working on that at the moment. But that's a beauty. Absolute beauty. But yeah, it's work to do. This one, half the parts missing. Just a little Cosmos. It's a small Cosmos. I saw it online, I bought it because I've already got a Cosmos and I thought they were the same. And this one, yeah, I'll show you. Look at that. It's a lot smaller. So yeah, I've got two. But I couldn't let it go. Oh dear. I'm terrible. But I'm pleased with that. I'll switch the gas off now. But yeah, clean up. I mean, yeah, if someone cleans the base, I'd paint this with some you know, sort of heat resistant engine in them or something like that. And the rest of it, I'll just clean it. I mean, the actual engine's good. All the wires, all the pipes are good. I think the chimney's good enough. It's a base clean and a firebox. The rest of that, just leave it and run it. Yeah, let's turn that gas off now. Anyway, I just put it's only a little one. Hope you liked it, and I'll put something on again later. Cheers.